Media.
Hello, welcome to the Media channel. I'm your host, William Hugh. Now in this episode, I'm going to tell you about a little battery hack I've developed that allows me to use my camcorder for much longer periods between recharges. It's simple, it's quick, and it's done like this. One of my favourite cameras for outdoor vlogging and walking videos is my ancient Sanyo Exacti VPC GH4. It's by no means a new camera, I've had it for years. But it records in full HD, it's got a 10x zoom, it's pretty full featured and downloads direct to my PC. And just look at the size of it, it's tiny. But its tiny size comes with a price. Its batteries are also tiny. When they're new, they struggle to deliver more than 20 minutes per charge. And when they're getting old, and especially in cold weather, they're lucky to achieve 10 minutes before they completely give up the ghost. Now I actually have 3 batteries for this machine, but I'd be lucky to get 40 minutes out of all of them combined. And changing batteries every 10 minutes or so is tiresome, and it ruins long takes. This problem meant that despite my affection for the camera, its use was limited.
Low battery power.
I realised that all these problems would disappear if only I could find some way to attach it to a larger battery. Which is exactly what I did. And this is exactly how I did it. Now you too may be able to use this technique, but it will depend on whether or not your camcorder has got one of these. It's an external power socket. This one accepts 5V input via a plug-in-the-wall power supply. Using this power supply, of course, would allow me to run the thing all day long, provided I was attached to a wall socket. Not much good for vlogging out in the countryside though. Now 5V is the output of a standard USB, and it's also the same as the camera input, which gave me an idea. I searched on the internet for a power supply which used a USB plug to attach to the power supply unit. And here it is. I then unplugged from the unit and attached the cord instead to a standard phone power bank. I fired it up and it worked like a dream. Long lasting and portable. I've been testing it for well over an hour now, and there's no sign of it waning yet. How long will it last? Well, the original batteries were rated at 700 mAh, and the average phone power bank comes in at around 2000 mAh, which is about 3 times more. There are other advantages too. Whereas a new Sanyo battery would cost me around £10 a piece, I can pick up power banks like these, with a greater capacity, from the local pound shop for only, you guessed it, £1 each. What's more, I've seen some premium power banks for sale with a capacity of 20,000 mAh, which is a whopping 28.5 times more than the standard battery. If that doesn't get you through a day without stopping, changing or charging batteries, then nothing will. So this simple hack has turned my favourite but handicapped camcorder into one with almost unlimited endurance. And maybe you can do the same with your own camcorders. Hope the idea is helpful anyway. So there you go, the easy peasy battery hack. Hope it was useful to you. Well, that's all for this episode, so don't forget to like, comment and share, and I'll see you here next time on the Media channel.